So if you have an Audi 2022, I already fixed this when you had the problem with the alternator and the high voltage battery, yeah? So now, I'm just gonna start it just to see if there's no more faults. There's no more faults now. You would have a fault with a battery coming on the dash and drive fault. Now, what we did, we replaced the alternator. It's a high voltage alternator, 48 volts. And then the battery in the boot died as well. So we had to replace the alternator with a new one. Customer used a used one and he had the same fault, which we advised before fitting the used one not to do it, but they still went ahead. So we changed the alternator to one that's brand new, coded online, and all working. There was another issue though. The battery in the boot would be a problem with it, that the battery will be completely drained, and because the battery was completely drained, the alternator wouldn't charge. So we had to take the 48 volt battery apart and charge it. Now again, the customer charged the battery by himself and he charged it too much, so we had to discharge it. So do not, under any circumstances, if you don't know what you're doing, better don't touch it. So this is a Audi Q7 2022. It's probably the same ones. This is a 3 liter, so 3 liter mild hybrids engine. Yeah, we got a 48 volt battery in the boot and the 48 volt alternator. Alternator was faulty. The battery in the boot drained. To be able to get it to run again, you had to change the alternator and charge the battery in the boot, which is supposed to have 40 volt, not 58, okay? So I would suggest to, if you have any issues with this, rather just give us a shout instead of you messing about and destroy your car. So the alternator is under there. Now, ignore the fact that it's missing a bolt. Whoever changed the alternator broke the thread on that one. That's where the alternator is. A bit of a pain in the butt to do it. Make sure you plug in the connector when you put it back. So the battery, the 40 volts battery, it's in the boot. To be able to access it is here. Now, under any circumstances, I don't recommend you to do this if you're not trained. You got minus in here and plus in there, right? You need to remove the sub. You got few screws in there. Most of them is 13 and spline them 10. And then 10s around the subwoofer area. Can take this one out and charge it. But again, like I said, don't just try to do this by yourself if you don't know what you're doing. Right? So that's what you get when you know what you're doing. You just have no more faults and you can drive the car. Otherwise, you're stuck with 2,000 pounds battery broken, which Audi advised to buy a brand new battery, which was around 2,000 pounds. Alternator 1,800. So there you go. That's the prices that you're gonna have to pay for these ones. Unfortunately, owning a newer vehicle doesn't mean it's cheaper. Thanks for watching and hope this one helped you.